Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in programming, that is function. If you want to write clean, efficient and reusable code, this is the lesson for you. So what are function? In simple terms, a function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Functions help us break down complex programs into smaller, manageable pieces. Think of them as the building blocks of your program. Let's start with the function definition syntax. Syntax of function definition is: first, type of the function, then name of the function, and then in circle brackets there are parameters of the functions. And after this there are pair of curly braces starting and ending. This will enclose the body of the function. Parameters are the variable that can be used inside this function only, and body of the function execute when we call the function. Let's create a function to display your name. So type of function is void. Void type means this function will not return any value. I will describe this next in the video. Then type the name of the name of the function. Name of function is display name, as it will display your name. So I am giving this the name display your name, and this function has no parameters. And in the body, write a code to display your name. So printf programming master. This is a function display name that will display your name. In my case, I typed programming master. When I will call this function, it will display programming master. Keep in mind, this function must be defined above the main function. And to execute this function, call this function in the main function. The syntax of calling the function is: type the name of the function, and then type the open and close circle brackets. And if the function has parameters, then give this the arguments. My function has no parameters, so I call this, and let's run the program. And you can see it displayed programming master. You can call function many times and it will work. Run again, and you can see it displayed programming master 2 times. You can see it displayed programming master 2 times. So once you have defined a function, you can call it multiple times to execute. Let's define another function to sum two numbers. So here above the main function, define the function of type void as it will not return any value. Name this sum and give this two parameters, int a and int b, and it will return the sum of a and b. It will display the sum of a and b, and in this function print sum of numbers is %d, and sum of numbers b is equal to a plus b. Now if I call this function in the main function, type the name of function and then give the values for the arguments. For a I typed 10 and for b I typed 20. Now this function will calculate the sum and display the sum of these two numbers. Let's run the program. There is an error. There is a typing mistake, printf. Now run the program and you can see it displayed sum of numbers is 30. You can change the type of a function. Void type mean this function will not return any value, but if I change the type to int, it means this function will return a integer value. So in this function I am returning a plus b. Now if I call this function, you can see in main function sum is called, you can see nothing happen. If a function is returning a value, then I have to create a variable and set this equal sum 10, 20, and now print this variable. The sum is %d sum. Let's run the program. There is an error. Spelling for both the sum variable and sum function is same, so change this and run again. There is a spelling mistake, printf, and run again, and you can see it displayed the sum is 30. That's all about functions in C programming. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.